G'day everybody and welcome back to Sydney Trains Vlogs. Currently at Doonside station, not only to film some trains for you all, but to give you all a look at the finished upgrades to the station. These upgrades include, most importantly, lifts, which was a much needed thing for Doonside station. This also includes an upgraded footbridge as well, and shelter on platforms 1 and 2. Not too sure if platforms 3 and 4 will get any shelter, but or any more shelter than they already have. But then again, I guess before the upgrade, platforms 1 and 2 were lacking in shelter a bit more than 3 and 4 because they have this extra building here. Excuse me. But anyway, we're going to go up the lifts, up and down the lifts to give you all a bit of a look at that, and then have a look at a bit of the footbridge, and yeah, then we'll just get a couple of trains. I'll head over this way just to get out of the workers' way, because there's some people working on the other side of this building. Just let me go wide. So we'll just go up the lifts on 3 and 4 and down the lifts on 1 and 2. But there are 4 sets of lifts. So you've got lifts off the platform 4 side of the station. Oh, there's 3 lifts, sorry, correction. So you've got lifts off the platform 4 side of the station, lifts to and from the footbridge. Give me a second, sorry. Lifts to and from the footbridge on platform 3 and 4, and the same thing goes for 1 and 2. So just going to tap off here and then back on. Not too sure if the footbridge itself is brand new. I think it's just been upgraded. Got a bit of shelter over it and new fences or new railings, things like that.
Doors closing. Please mind the doors.
And the lifts added. Oopsie.
Bridge. Doors opening.
I will say though, it's given Doonside a much needed facelift. It was I don't know, it wasn't the greatest looking station. It was pretty dingy. So there's the lift down to Doonside Road, or there's a ramp there. There's no lift down to Cross Street. We will have a look. Oh, actually, yes, there is. There is. Sorry, it was just sort of hidden from view. I was going to say it's a bit weird that there being a lift down to Doonside Road and nothing to Cross Street. But yeah, there we go. It's sort of just tucked in here. So that's good. Alright, let's head down to platforms 1 and 2.
down. Doors closing. Please mind the doors. Platform. Doors opening.
Alright, we'll tap back on. Let's say that the shelter on this platform definitely gives Doonside a bit of a facelift.
The next train to arrive on platform 1 goes to Gordon via Central. First stop Blacktown, then Seven Hills, Westmead, Parramatta, Lidcombe, Strathfield, Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Milsons Point, North Sydney, then all stations to Chatswood, then Roseville, Lingfield, Killara and Gordon.
So this is what I mean, like you're sort of like a before and after. You got sort of the dingy looking, does the job, side there, and then you got the sort of more upgraded part here. No, Doonside Station's alright. Does the job. It's much better than what it used to be, that's for sure. We just had a couple of announcements go off for platforms 2 and 3 for trains that do not stop. So they're most likely VSETs to and from the mountains, or empty services, or even a freight train. But let's just see what we can get. I'll stay here for a couple of trains. Yeah.
The train on platform 1 goes to Gordon via Central. First stop Blacktown, then Seven Hills, Westmead, Parramatta, Lidcombe, Strathfield, Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Milsons Point, North Sydney, then all stations to Chatswood, then Roseville, Lingfield, Killara and Gordon.
Don't worry, that horn blast wasn't for me, being too close to the yellow line or anything. I was definitely well behind it. There's just some workers working at the other end of the platforms. As you can see up there, there were some workers on the ladder up there, so they're just got to be warned of the train coming.
The next train to arrive on platform 2 does not stop at this platform. Please stand behind the yellow line. Please stand clear. The next train to arrive on platform 1 goes to Gordon via Central. First stop Blacktown, then
was 8103 leading a container train.
For safety and security, CCTV cameras are in use 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
And a Penrith train.
the next train to arrive on platform 3 does not stop at this platform. Please stand behind the yellow line. Please stand clear. The train on platform 4 goes to Penrith. First stop Littleville, then all stations to Canberra.
That Penrith station, that Penrith train, rather, is B set number 40, and will stop all stations. Just in time, the train that I'll be getting is paralleling a VSET. The VSETs come from the mountains. It'll pass through platform number 2 at speed. I can already see it's skipped ahead of my Waratah, which is good. And this is the train that I'm getting on. So thanks for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share the video, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you next time. Ciao.
The train on platform 1 goes to Gordon via Central. First stop, Blacktown, then Seven Hills, Westmead, Parramatta, Lidcombe, Strathfield, Redfern,